Yeah,
my
it
gloves
does.
are covered in it.
I like how Scarlett says that on her channel. Don't breathe, Carrie. Okay.
That's why I turned the fan off.
Who's got an alcohol rag on?
Right here.
Right
sweetie.
here.
Here's what I do. I go like this. See my pile of paper towel here?
Where's those rags I gave you?
They're up here.
Oh,
I
well,
can
give her one. She can make herself one, or give me another one. Let her keep that one. Okay, and there's
So I
her.
get all that gold
Okay,
off my
here's the
gloves.
swipey papers. I'm going to do a couple swipes with them first. This is nothing but freezer paper, okay? And I always start out with the shiny side. What you want to do is you want to get, wait a minute, let me turn it so I can swipe towards myself the right way. What you want to do is you want to get part of it, like about a pencil width of it, down into the color you're trying to swipe over the other ones. You don't want to go fast. You don't want to push too hard. You're just trying to push the colors, or pull the colors, I mean. And basically what I just did right there was I just kind of wiped off the resin, so you get like almost a clean piece of paper now. Don't want to go too fast.
Don't worry about the table, sweetie. It's perfectly alright, because besides the fact that they're probably about 20, 30 years old, it really doesn't matter, but some of them even have pictures from my grandchildren on them, and I've never thrown them away.
I'm trying to do those little tiny wispy ones at the end like Erica does. I still haven't gotten that down right.
Try them when you get to the end, twist your paper.
I am twisting my paper. I don't know if that was good enough or not.
Start with some clear.
It's more than enough white. You know what else I have? I have that, what do they call it? Mermaid spit or something? The one that everybody was trying to get.
Oh yeah.
She's always out of it on the mermaid trash site.
Oh, that the foam white?
Yeah, you gotta be really careful with that. You only use like a match head size bit of that. You don't need a lot. It's because that was another one I was reading the reviews, and a gal was having a lot of trouble. She says as soon as I put it in, it turned to marshmallow, marshmallow whip. And then it's like, no, you're supposed to basically measure it out with a toothpick.
Heat it up a little bit. Get rid of any air bubbles.
tried it
see what
once and
cells I
I-
might get.
I wasn't real successful. I had more success with the res white than I have with,
Well, like I said, I had so much trouble trying to make cells that I resorted to the casting craft. And the only problem with casting craft is that the casting craft has to go over the colors instead of under.
Oh.
So you have to use
Okay, here we go. Torch and
kind of
tilt.
darker colors or, heavily pigmented colors, because when you pour a little white over the top of it, it makes them quite a bit lighter. So,
Sure.
but I have had very good success in getting cells with that.
Like I said, that other white I showed you, that Fasco, I got cells with that. Oh, I don't know, that's just a regular cheapy Amazon brand.
I'm gonna set those swiping papers on fire just about.
We can fix that.
I got some really pretty red cells right there.
That's pretty, Doris. Wow. That red,
Gorgeous.
so pretty.
Alright.
See, this is the problem I have with this torch. Turning it on one-handed.
Mm.
But I got the button covered.
Yeah, another the color I like is the Love Struck red is really pretty.
Oh yeah.
Who's that one by?
That's the color art, primary element color. It's called Love Struck. It's such a pretty red. But that pomegranate that you got too, that you made, is just gorgeous. See, this is the BlackCurrant.
Ooh, that's gorgeous.
Isn't it? That's what I was gonna mix black too. I'm like, I don't need black. I got the BlackCurrant.
This is the hardest thing in the world, is to hold on to this while you're tilting it.
They're very transparent, aren't they?
What's that?
These the RezinAtre colors.
Well, you can add more to make it more opaque. You know.
I mean, I didn't add a lot, but.
Well, oh, I need to cover
That's
this.
probably Scarlet going live. No. It's the electric blue. This is.
Does she text you when she goes live?
No, I get that's the notification.
Oh, okay.
I've been getting them now more closer to the starting times. But last week, I just so happened was on, I don't know if it was Erica went on early or something, and she was already off the air. I didn't get my notification for like 3 hours.
I believe it.
Here's that electric blue. Look at that.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That's gorgeous.
Trying to figure out where I'm going to put some gold at.
Make this a little bit darker.
Papa? Doris, can you tiptoe in there and ask them to turn the television down?
No, it's fine.
No, there's problems.
It's fine. Don't worry about it. Look, you know how many times I've had to warn people when I'm videotaping with my window open, you might hear sirens, but that's because I'm across the river from the police and fire department.
Well, I know that now because I got lost over there trying to find your house.
She said, "Where do you live at?" "I'm right here outside the fire department." I said, "Cross the river."
And I was like, damn, I didn't bring my boat. See people do this now. And don't worry about getting stuff on this because this the resin peels right off of it. That night, I always,
Okay.
always find.
I definitely
stray
got some
Darcy
stuff
hairs
left for
on here.
coasters.
She's almost done shitting. I'm like, thank God. It's driving me crazy. At least we didn't get inundated with box elder bugs this year. Oh. That's why my window up there looks dirty. It's not dirty. I put Dawn dish detergent in a spray bottle with a little water, and whatever surface you sprayed on, the box elder bugs will stay off of.
Yeah. See, it just started to smoke. That's when you know to back off with your torch. When it starts to smoke. Okay.
Speaking of evil Darcy hairs.
I'm going to call mine done. I'm sorry, I'm a fast resin artist.
You are. Now you can help Karen do her swipes.
Cause see, I did my swipes, but I'm not getting no cells.
Try to pull the white over.
The
This-
color goes
Okay,
over the white.
let me.
Mom,
Which way would be the best way to go? I want to go put this outside.
I'll help you.
Okay. I'm wiping off the bottom.
Let's take a couple of these with us and have you set it up on this.
Okay.
We need to move your stool first. My hands are clean.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let me get this out of the way.
Let me do a close-up for the camera. Oh, I already see some foreign objects in there.
I have.
Where are some tweezers?
I have some over here. Squeeze through. I had them on tweezers or toothpick. I like to use a bamboo skewer.
Or a little toothpick, it doesn't matter.
There's a little toothpick holder right here.
I gotta get it up in the light to see what I'm getting at.
No, these are the baking sheets.
Mm-hmm.
They come 5 in a box. They're pretty inexpensive on Amazon.
What?
These things.
Oh, okay.
So I just threw a bunch down, table taped them so they wouldn't move. You know.
Okay, that's the best I'm gonna get it out. Okay, let's go.
Did you get it, everything?
Yeah.
I got something here in mind, and I don't know where to look.
I got these, and I also have some cups outside too. For me to put 'em on. I like to put my stuff up.
Okay, I'll be right back, Karen. I'm gonna help you with your swiping.
Yeah, I'm not too concerned. I have not been able to get cells before, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'll do better getting cells with a heat gun. It's only hot. Do you have a temperature control in it? I don't know. Yeah, my heat gun at home gets so hot. I'm not having much luck with that. So I am going to try starting it.
That's okay. My dad. That's okay. My dad always called me Donna, so that's my
I've been called
sister.
Donna, Dorothy, Doris, you know. Okay, let's see here.
It's like, Dad, it's
I'm
me.
getting a few, but I only get the itty bitty little ones.
Okay,
See, I get just those little itty.
first thing you gotta do is you do have to heat up the
I just
resin
did.
you're gonna swipe. There's clear over here, right?
No, that's interference.
No, right here.
Yeah, that's clear.
Hang on, I'm running out of
That
juice.
heat gun wasn't very hot. I'm on. Maybe.
Oh, turn it. The it's probably on low. The back of it
I'm
turns
going,
up.
You want me to put white over there? 'Cause
No, I'm just trying to turn my flame
It's
up.
got adjustable heat on it. The back's black.
Okay,
circle.
let me borrow your heat gun. I mean your torch.
Oh.
Turn it one way. Yeah, there you go. And it's probably gonna. Don't turn it all the way because that's like super
Okay,
hot.
what you want to do is you want to heat up the resin. Okay. Now, one pencil
Yeah, but
lip
that'll get hot on hand.
touching.
Right. That's
Okay.
what. Yeah, I was.
You want it to glide.
Mm-hmm. But you're not going over the white, so it's not gonna get cells anyway, right?
Well, let's see.
So I got some, but I get these little teeny weeny little itty bitty stuff. Why don't I put a little white? Hold on.
Okay, put a little bit of white right there, and I'll heat it up and try torch it that way.
I probably should change my glove because it's every different color, but clear.
Oh, well, okay.
As I get it all over my pants. That's fine.
Well, you see, you not only want to heat up the resin you just put down, you want to heat up the resin it's going over.
Right.
Mhm.
I'm gonna swipe it towards you.
Well, I'm gonna,
Well, you want the color to go over the white, right?
not with the Lorez,
Ah, well, maybe that's the reason.